After I discovered this secret, I only make orange cake this way. It turns out incredibly soft and melts in your mouth. Add to the blender 2 oranges cut into small pieces. Next, 3 eggs. Then, add 1 cup of oil. Remember that my cup is 240 milliliters. Next, add 1.5 cups of sugar. Then, cover and let it blend for about 2 minutes. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Next, transfer this mixture to a large container. After that, gradually add 2 cups of wheat flour and mix very well until completely dissolved. And tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. When you reach this point, it's perfect. Now add a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix again very well until completely dissolved. After finishing this step, transfer all of this batter to a greased pan with margarine and wheat flour. And if you are looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe for breakfast or an afternoon snack, you just found it. Take it to the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the syrup. Add a cup of orange juice to a pan. Then, add half a cup of sugar. Turn on the heat and stir constantly until it boils. After this mixture starts to boil, stir for another 5 minutes, and then you can turn it off. This is the perfect point. Our orange cake is already baked, folks. Now, with the help of a fork, make some holes on top of the cake, like this. Once that's done, pour all the orange syrup we prepared. Next, wait 5 minutes for the cake to absorb the syrup. After this time, just turn it onto a plate and check the result. Whenever I make this recipe at home, it's a success. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your home, I'm sure it will be no different. And look at this amazing result. Simply perfect. A quick, easy, super soft, and delicious cake. An excellent option for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Make it at your home, and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. If you've stayed until now, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what rating does this orange cake deserve? Now I'll leave it here, a big hug, and see you in the next video.